The overhead distribution pole-mounted transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. This power distribution system is designed for overhead pole mount installation. With a transformer rating of 25 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of 12,470 Y and 7,200 grounded Y, and a secondary voltage of single-phase 120 and 240 volt. This transformer connects to a three-phase electrical grid system to provide single-phase low-voltage power for indoor distribution. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.